When it comes to managing your Amazon business, Getida is a tool you might be considering. But before you dive in, there are a few things you need to know. Whether you're an experienced seller or just starting, understanding what Getida brings to the table compared to its competitors can make all the difference. Stick around until the end for a special offer where you can try Getida for free with exclusive benefits. First, Getida is known for its robust FBA audit system. What sets it apart from other tools like Sellerboard or Refunds Manager is its emphasis on identifying reimbursement opportunities from Amazon's FBA errors. The software analyzes your account for discrepancies and pinpoints when Amazon has overcharged or underpaid you, ultimately helping you reclaim lost revenue. This is especially important for businesses running high volumes of sales, where every penny counts. Next, Getida offers seamless integration with your Amazon seller account, making it incredibly easy to get started. All you need to do is link your account, and Getida automatically begins analyzing your data. This is a step above other reimbursement services that require more manual input, so you can save time and start seeing results faster. The third thing you need to know is about Getida's pricing structure. They use a commission-based model, meaning you only pay a percentage of the reimbursements they recover for you. This is great for smaller businesses or those just testing out the service because there's no upfront cost. Unlike competitors that require fixed monthly fees, Getida aligns its success with yours, giving you peace of mind knowing you're not paying for something that doesn't deliver. Moving on, Getida's user interface is one of the most intuitive in the industry. Some tools can feel overwhelming or have a steep learning curve, but Getida's dashboard is clean and simple. You'll find everything from your reimbursement status to detailed reports in just a few clicks. This ease of use is a big advantage for busy sellers who don't have the time to learn complex software. The fifth thing worth noting is Getida's customer support. While many tools only offer basic support or slow response times, Getida provides dedicated customer service. Whether you're dealing with a technical issue or have a question about your account, their team is known for being responsive and helpful. This can be a lifesaver when you're dealing with the intricacies of Amazon's policies and need answers fast. Another key factor is Getida's audit coverage. The platform doesn't just focus on reimbursements, it also offers a deep dive into inventory issues, lost or damaged goods, and return discrepancies. This comprehensive coverage ensures that you're not leaving money on the table in areas that other competitors might overlook. Lastly, Getida's ability to scale with your business is something you won't want to overlook. As your Amazon business grows, you'll find that Getida's tools can handle increasing volumes of data, ensuring that your reimbursement process doesn't slow down. Many competitors can struggle with scalability, but Getida's infrastructure is designed to grow with you, so you won't have to worry about outgrowing your reimbursement solution. If you're still on the fence, remember you can try Getida for free through the link in the description below. By clicking that link, you'll get exclusive access to some of the best features of Getida without any upfront cost. This is a great opportunity to see if it's the right fit for your Amazon business without any commitment. So if you're looking for a tool to help you recover lost revenue, save time, and scale your business, Getida might be just what you need. Go ahead and click the link in the description to get started with Getida today. You'll get a free trial and some additional benefits that will help you make the most of your experience. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer.